My name is Anne and I'm going to be a finance graduate and I'm going to be based in Pontypridd. I came across the advertisement of the scheme and I was really amazed by how holistic this experience is going to be for me. I'm going to be able to integrate, for example, project management, leadership, and I'm going to be able to rotate the department so that it gives me that holistic exposure that I really need.
The grad scheme is actually really cemented in my head that I really like doing work on disabled access to transport and integrating different modes of transport, and it's gone from learning about those at the start of the grad scheme, from this is what Transport for Wales does, this is the services that we run, to now I'm helping to actively influence those policies through the things that I write, the things that I develop, and the experience that I have of using the network.
The grad scheme really prepared me for my current role now, giving me a really good introduction to all the different kinds of work that we do in transport planning and development. Really good for connecting you to different areas of the business through people that you get to know on the grad scheme, and a lot of the people who I was on the grad scheme with are now doing full-time roles within areas of the business that they worked in during the grad scheme, or other different areas as well.
The fact that I can get a qualification along with developing my career also is something that really attracted me.
It's such a wide-ranging scheme, there's so much scope to develop skills that sort of you think will be useful for your career and just to work on areas that you find interesting.